In this quick video, we're going to troubleshoot a commercial air mover blower where it smells while you're using it, which is kind of frequently happens with these air blowers. So it could be multiple things. It could be the electrical wiring in the air blower is overheating. It could be water damage, or it could be that it's just overheating, and hopefully that's what it is because of dust and just dust building in on it. So first thing you want to do is unplug it, and there's usually like a little reset button on it. It's called a GFCI button. It's red or black, and you just press it once. Go ahead and press that button. And what I want you to do is open up the fan. Now it depends on the model, but a lot of times they'll have little clips that you can remove the fan cover, or it'll have to be screws. You might have to look on your user manual or look on Google on how to remove it. And get you compressed air and clean the air inside while it's unplugged. And if there's a filter in it that you can spot, go ahead and clean that filter. Take the filter out, use warm water, wash it, clean the filter out, make sure it's dry completely, and put it back in. Like I said, use compressed air to clean those blades in there. Reassemble it back and see if you get that smell again. If you do, you probably need to get it serviced or get a new blower, because if you're not electrically inclined, if it's an electrical issue, that's kind of extensive, or something like that, it's kind of extensive. I'll put a link in the comment section off of Amazon where you can get this one. It's called a Tornado. Pretty nice. I've used it for 2 years off of Amazon. I'll put a link off of Amazon where you can get one for about $300, but I've liked it so far. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.